Good morning, folks. It's a beautiful Thursday here in Minnesota. I'm out in the beautiful countryside here, getting ready to restore this deck. 5-6 weeks ago, we were under about 18 inches of snow, and now it's going to be 90 for the foreseeable future. So thanks again, Minnesota. Love this. I actually got a little selfish today. I grabbed one of the pressure washers. I came out here because this is such a beautiful job site. I did not let my crew come out here and do this. So I have a little bit of brightener down here, letting that stuff work. And I'm about to wash, and I just thought I'd share with you guys. When I did a 3M factory visit a bunch of months ago, they ran me through the lab. And they showed me some really cool stuff, some technology. And one of the things that they showed me were these headphones here. Now these are Peltor brand. These are actually tactical headphones for shooting. What they actually do is they're run off of batteries. They have Bluetooth connectivity here. You can put some auxiliary cords in them and stuff too. But when you turn them on, there's a little on button here, and put them on. This is the craziest thing. Morning, Bridget. How you doing? They actually amplify the sound around you until a gunshot goes off, and then it mutes it. So it's the coolest technology ever. Araldo. Boa tarde, my friend. Good to see you down there in Brazil. This amplifies the sound around you until a loud noise goes off, and then it brings everything back down to a normal level. And Bluetooth connectivity, so I can sit here and listen to the Business Brush podcast, Paint Ed podcast, and jam out to 80s synth music while I restore this deck. So if you guys haven't seen these, when I was at the 3M factory visit, they just showed me these things, how it worked. They were clapping 2 blocks of wood together, and it just sounded like a normal conversation. I was just bowled over by these, and a couple of weeks later, they showed up in the mail. So thank you, 3M. Thank you, Peltor, Jeremy Johnson. I do appreciate you sending me that out. And yeah, there's some of the coolest things, and especially nowadays when you can harness a little technology and be listening to Bluetooth, it's really awesome. So Russ, how you doing? I'm gonna get to washing here. Really awesome day. Film crew from This Old House is flying in tonight, and tomorrow we're going to do those 2 deck restoration projects with them. So stay tuned for some updates on that. You guys have a good day.